Wonderful people of Biafra all over the world. Today being the 26th of September 2025, the Eastern Judaism led by Kohendes honor her, the spiritual leader of Peace of Yahweh, along with the concerned elders of the hometown of Nnamdi Kanu, Afaduku Ibeku, are stationed here in the government house of ABIA State. Demanding for the immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu and letting the government of ABIA State to know that they are concerned for the illegal detention of their son, Nnamdi Kanu, who is being detained in DSS dungeon. As you can see them, they are here live in the government, in the house government of ABIA State, led by Alex. You can see them. This is the government house. All right. So, go ahead. Who were here the day before yesterday. Nnamdi Kanu must be free. The Eastern Judaism led by Kohendes honor her, along with the concerned elders of Afaduku Ibeku, the hometown of Nnamdi Kanu, are stationed here in the House Government of ABIA State to propagate for the release of their son, Nnamdi Kanu, as his court is ongoing in the Federal High Court of Abuja today, being the 26th of September 2025. Live report from Ikechukwu Samuel Mark for Ultimate Viewers.
The truth is that I've never loved, or can I say like, Igbo leaders' position on this Nnamdi Kanu matter. I'm talking about the 5 Southeast governors. Their position in this Nnamdi Kanu matter is nothing to tell home about. Their body language speaks very loud, and you can easily understand what is going on. They're not pushing. They're not pushing. Doesn't mean that this Nnamdi Kanu matter is not affecting their state. Okay, apart from that, is Nnamdi Kanu not their son? Okay, because they feel that Nnamdi Kanu want to throw them out from their comfort zone. Anyway, make we hear what Governor Oti of ABIA State have said. I'll be right back.
We have been engaging at the release of Nnamdi Kanu. But the level at which we are engaging and the discussions that have happened and the assurances that have been received are not for public consumption, since it may hurt or derail the process. But you can take it for granted that as his governor, I'm in the forefront of ensuring that he comes back home. And all the Southeast governors are in tandem. So we are discussing it.
Okay, guys, you've all heard it now. He said they are discussing it. Since 4 years, they've been discussing Nnamdi Kanu's freedom until Nigerian government go buy him for that DSS custody. But that is just what they want to do. You get. Just look at Nnamdi Kanu's face. You will understand that this man is not well. The way he's looking today, that was not how he was looking the last time he appeared in court. Today you can see that the face don't swell up. It's something. I don't know as I want to talk him, but just look at, zoom his face, you understand that this man is not well. And today ruling was wow. You understand? It was like a planned script. Say now like this, we go do this man. We no go let him come off for here. Because if he come off for here, he go get in way. Meanwhile, according to a report by Daily Post on Friday, which is today, September 26, 2025, the legal team representing Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, clarified that the Federal High Court's ruling dismissing Kanu's no-case submission is not a declaration of guilty. So the court section held in Abuja was presided over by Justice James Omotosho, who determined that a prima facie case had been established by the Department of State Service (DSS) against Kanu, requiring him to open his defense in the ongoing terrorism trial. So following the judgment, Kanu's special counsel, Aloy Ejimakor, addressed journalists outside the courtroom, emphasizing that the ruling merely instructs Kanu to present his defense and does not imply any verdict on his innocence or guilt. So the ruling simply requires Nnamdi Kanu, the defendant, to enter his defense. Ejimakor explained, it is not a pronouncement of guilt or not guilty. That is why it is called a no-case submission. So Ejimakor also expressed concern over the court's handling of issues related to Kanu's extraordinary rendition from Kenya to Nigeria. According to him, this aspect of the case, which he described as open and notorious, should have influenced the court's decision more significantly. The illegality and implications of Kanu's rendition have been a central point of contention between his legal team and the federal authority. So Kanu, who has faced a series of legal challenges since his abduction in 2021, remains in the DSS custody. The court's latest directive now shifts the focus to the defense phase of the trial, where Kanu will be expected to respond to the charges brought against him by the Nigerian government. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Please drop your comment below the comment section. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.
How are you? Good to see you. It is well. It is well. Bless you, brother. Bless you. Thank you very much. That's a quick picture.